In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the sidebar in Foxit Reader. Whether you want to clean up your workspace or quickly jump to specific sections of your PDF, knowing how to manage the sidebar in Foxit is a handy skill. So, let's dive in. First, go ahead and open the PDF file you're working with in Foxit PDF Reader. As you're setting this up, take note of the default display. Typically, along the left edge of the Foxit window, you'll notice something called the navigation panel. This sidebar is quite useful as it holds icons that represent different features, such as pages, bookmarks, and attachments. It's essentially your quick access menu to various tools within the document. Now, if your goal is to hide this sidebar, maybe for a cleaner view, or simply because you want to focus solely on the document content itself, follow these easy instructions. You'll notice at the top of this sidebar, or just to the left of it, there's a small arrow or chevron icon. Clicking on this icon will collapse the sidebar, neatly tucking it away from view. It's a simple click that can make a big difference in how cluttered or clear your workspace feels. Alternatively, if you prefer to be a bit more selective and want to hide only certain panels within the sidebar, Foxit gives you that flexibility too. Just navigate over to the View menu at the top of the screen. From here, hover over Navigation Panels. You'll see a list of the available side panels, each with a checkbox next to it. If there are panels you're not currently in need of, simply uncheck them, and they'll disappear from the sidebar. This method gives you direct control over which elements are visible at any given time. On the flip side, if you're looking to reveal the sidebar or a specific panel that's not currently on display, the process is just as straightforward. Again, head over to the View menu. From within the Navigation Panels section, you'll find the same list of panels. This time, all you need to do is check the box next to the panel you wish to show, whether it's pages, bookmarks, or attachments. Right after, it will reappear in your sidebar, ready for use. These functions can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to tailor your view based on what you are working on. Whether navigating through large documents or simply toggling between views, managing the sidebar can streamline your PDF experience. Keep experimenting with these settings as you become more comfortable using Foxit Reader, and you'll find what configuration works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.